Today we're going to recover our device since we've forgotten our screen lock. It's normal for things like this to happen sometimes. Later. Forget it. And simple method to access our device without needing to know anything. Seeing the screen lock we had forgotten is a very easy process. For those who have a phone and suddenly forgot their screen lock, you can recover it now. It's an alternative. I would say, an alternative that we often encounter when we forget our pattern, password, or PIN. It's an alternative that allows us to recover and access our phone. This is an alternative, as we just did. What we're going to do. What I always recommend in these cases is to watch the video tutorial step by step so you don't miss any details and we can solve this recovery. An easy and quick way to fix it. Having said all that, what we'll be doing is the following. Pay close attention. Let's pull down notifications. Let's look here, and what we're going to do is the following. You know this is a screen lock that we had forgotten. But besides forgetting it, let's start here again, and if you see that we can't get in, but there's always an alternative, there's always the option we can do. Here it tells us that to fix our phone, we need to do a hard reset, that is, reset our phone. That would be one of the options we can do. But we want to get into our phone without doing that. What's wrong? For this method to work, we need to not have formatted it. Because if we restarted it, this would be lost. So, let's wait for those seconds to pass. You know that when we create a screen lock, we always add our fingerprint. What we have to do is use our fingerprint from our phone to be able to recover it. But this only works if we haven't restarted the phone. Because when we restart it, this fingerprint option would be lost. And when we do this after restarting it, it wouldn't work with our fingerprint, then we would have to reset and format it.